Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. I'm up on the roof scaffold looking at the roof of our Luxe Luxury fifth wheel. And what this is a front living floor plan. Most of our floor plans on the roof are very similar. We have a dual zone. We have a zone in the front where the bedroom is, and then we have a zone in the back where the living area is, so you can have two different temperatures set on your thermostat, one for the back and one for the front. Now I wanted to show you this unique area up here. We've developed a really unique system where this is where the air conditioner unit goes on, and you see that little ridge in the middle there. What that does is it separates the flow of air to go evenly on both sides of the zone track. Also, if you take a look, we've got welded trusses every 16 inches along our roof. So every 16 inches you've got a truss. Also on top of that, we put 1/2 inch plywood, so this is a true walk-on roof. So hey, give us a call, ask us some questions about our roof and how things are done. 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.